I'm going to start by inserting the SSD and covering the cap. Funny enough, this little cap can be the hardest thing for people sometimes, myself included, for some reason. And then we're going to get the power cable plugged in. I usually like to go for the smaller cables first. Just makes it easier in the scope of things. And then I'll reach over here, get the connector for the Ethernet. And then for the Ethernet, we're just going to go ahead and line up the red dot there. And we're just going to push until we get that satisfying click. You'll see that those two are aligned. And then I'll go ahead and rotate this camera for you. And I'll show you getting the GPS plugged into the SMA connector on the back. And so clearly the size shows you that you're not going into the auxiliary port. We're just screwing in, hand tightening into the port there. And so that was this receiver that you get with your Mosaic camera system. And then just so it's clear, this is the XLR cable that we plugged in for power. This is an XLR adapter for your battery. This is a V-mount battery, just standard V-mount battery you can use. And so we're going to get that plugged into the adapter. And then we're going to plug the XLR cable into the camera. And that's how it gets started. And that's it for the Mosaic X. You'll see your status lights start to turn on there.